sitting right on the branch, yeah. He's a skittish one. He's a coal-tit. Don't want to sneak up on him too much. He's right close to the window there. So you can see him just sort of singing a bit. Yeah. See, a very skittish bird. This one has been. There he is. There's a cow. Just a hint. That's good camouflage. You can see his camouflage for where he is in the tree. Yeah, where he is, where he's sitting is perfect. Because they too will be predated by things like sparrowhawks. There's one or two. I've seen two hunting together over on the golf course. But this is great. I wanted to film him because unusual to this garden. First time I've seen coal-tits properly has been this year. But he's obviously become more accustomed. He is a recent visitor, so he's settling down too. Thank you, Mr. Coal-tit, that is absolutely spot on.